there friends, welcome to another new session in Deepak's kitchen, and today I am going to teach you how to make the Zafrani chicken biryani. And this is going to be very tasty, and the flavor of that saffron or the saffron will blow you away. And this is going to be very easy method. I have completely simplified the process for this. Even a beginner can do this beautiful biryani. So without much talking, let's see how this beautiful Zafrani chicken biryani is done. And now to make this Zafrani pulao, so all I've got is nearly 500 grams of chicken, which has a nice big chunks like this. For this I'm going to add nearly half a cup of beaten curd, and this is a kesar, that is saffron, which has been soaked in a warm water. I will add half of it. Look here, I've taken nearly 5 to 10 grams of saffron. To activate this saffron, you need to add this saffron in a warm way. Then only it imparts all its flavors and color into the dish. And we'll add the slit green chilies, nearly 3 numbers, a half an inch of cinnamon stick, a 2 green cardamom, a 4 to 5 cloves, 1 star anise, a pinch of stone flower, and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, a 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, nearly 30 grams of mint leaves, and nearly 30 grams of coriander leaves, and 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and required amount of lime juice. I have taken nearly half of the lime juice. And we'll add required amount of salt, and we'll add some melted ghee, and we'll mix this real good. And in this we'll add some fried onions and give this a nice mix. And allow this mixture to marinate for about 1.5 hours. Look, in a blender I have taken nearly 10 soaked almonds and nearly 8 to 10 soaked cashew nuts. I will add this into the blender. We'll add some water and make a fine paste of it. Look here, I've taken nearly 500 grams of long grain basmati rice. For this I'm going to wash it thoroughly in the water. And the rice has been washed thoroughly, and now let the rice soak for about nearly 20 minutes. In this I am taking nearly 500 grams of long grain basmati rice. The beauty of this long grain basmati rice, it imparts its own distinctive flavor and its own aroma. To make this rice very fluffy, you need to soak this basmati rice for a minimum of 20 minutes, and then you need to add this rice in a rolling boil water. Remember, a rolling boil water, and cook the rice till it's 70% done, just as shown in this video. Look, in a cooking vessel I have kept a water to heat, and the water is rolling boiling. In this I am going to add nearly a half a teaspoon of caraway seeds or a shahi jeera, a 3 green cardamom, and nearly 4 to 5 cloves. And in this I will add nearly 1.5 tablespoons of salt and allow this water to boil. If you taste the water should be really salty. At this time we'll add the soaked basmati rice and give this a nice mix. And we need to cook the rice until it cooks nearly for about 70%. And now look, the rice has been cooked for about 70%. This is the time when we strain the rice and keep it aside. And I have kept a biryani pot to heat. In this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee, and now in this we'll add this marinated chicken. And we'll spread this And to this we'll add some ground almond and cashew nut paste and give this a nice mix. And we'll close the lid and let the chicken cook for about 5 minutes on a medium flame. And now look, it's been nearly 5 minutes. Wow, the chicken is nicely cooked. Look, the ghee is also floating on the top. At this time we'll add the parboiled rice. And now we'll level this. Add a dollop of ghee and the fried onions, and I will add the remaining saffron milk. And now let's close the lid and cook for about 30 minutes on a medium flame. Remember one thing, you need to take a heavy bottomed pan. For the safer side, if the bottom is not that heavy, you make sure you keep a griddle beneath the pot. Thus it will avoid sticking to the pan. It's one of a good technique. And look, it's been nearly 30 minutes. Let's open the lid. Wow, just look at this. Everything is cooked perfectly. And now let's plate this. So here you go, the beautiful and most aromatic biryanis ever. That Zafrani chicken biryani is now ready, and the flavor and the aroma is to die for. You definitely need to try this. Don't take my word, you just do this as I said, and then you will know how beautiful this recipe is. I hope you guys like this video. If so, what are you waiting? Go there, bring some chicken, have some saffron, do this recipe and let me know how it went in the comment section down below. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your family and friends and ask them to subscribe and also touch the notifications to all. Then only you will get every update whenever I upload a video. So we'll be back with another MA recipe. Till then, this is your host on this Deepak Kshatriya signing off and Jai Hind. Namaskara.